Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Definitely not the way we wanted to do our next vlog. Definitely not the way. Go check out that CRX there.
Nice.
I will see it by standing. Easy burger. Yeah. Yeah, so unfortunately we do have a bit of bad news.
Yeah.
So Shamil Aurora was in an accident this morning. Yeah, go right there. We'll show you guys in a bit what it looks like. I've already seen it and it's not a train smash.
Yeah.
But it is bad.
It's bad.
It's bad, yeah. So if you just want to tell us what happened, bro.
Okay, so well, it's raining today, and the time I travel to work is still quite dark. So usually in Cape Town, especially when it comes to rain and the lack of light, traffic is always horrible.
Yeah.
So as I was driving on my way to work this morning, I was coming up to in traffic, and then there was a line of cars in front of me, but it's like they pulled like dead brakes. Oh, that sound is I put in mud.
Mud.
No.
Oh, fender line.
Fender liners.
Oh,
yeah.
legend.
On that side.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyways, so I was driving in traffic, and then the cars in front of me basically pulled dead brakes, and when I saw it, because I'm like thinking this car's not moving, and I'm coming on at not a speed, but I mean quite quick for the braking time. So
yeah.
What I usually do to kind of make it safe for myself and the person behind me, I brake, but then I pull over to the side so that if I don't make it in time, I can at least avoid the car in front of me. But when I did that, the person behind me didn't brake in time, and that person drove into me.
Yeah.
So even though I saved myself from knocking into the car in front of me, the person still knocked in the back of my car.
Yeah.
And then we were standing on opposite sides of the road. It was a busy road. So I needed to get to that side, and the cars were just coming. So there wasn't much visibility.
It was still quite dark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So eventually I made it to the one side of the road and got the person's details and stuff, and then I also just came from the police station to make an accident report.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we're on our way to Ashraf to kind of
get a quote, assess the damage,
yeah.
basically, because we now need to, Ashraf now needs to advise whether this is repairable from his end, or if we now need to get another section, basically a skin,
yeah,
to rebuild that section. So
and also the person said that they took my details, so they're gonna see if they can get a speak to the
insurance.
yeah.
Yeah, look, here of course the rule is if the person knocks into you from at the back, they are liable.
Yeah.
Even, well, in this case they are definitely liable, but you get scenarios where,
yeah,
you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's why I told Shamil first thing this morning. He tried to phone me awake. I was still sleeping at
You were
time,
still sleeping, yeah.
fortunately, but I just took a little break now, tea from work, and I need to come and support the homie. So we're gonna hear now what Ashraf says, and then we'll show you guys the damage. Yeah, it's brutal, but it's fixable.
Yeah, look, the bumper for me is not an issue. I have a million bumpers.
Yeah.
But it's the quarter panel that I was worried about, because that's was on the body, man.
Yeah.
And we haven't done like proper like body work.
Yeah.
Ourselves.
Yeah.
So let's see what Ashraf has to say.
Catch you guys now. I'm excited to see what that box is gonna look like. Full restoration. Yeah,
full inside out.
Sissa. There we go. Caught him on a very bad spot.
Yeah, but if it wasn't for me to swerve, I would have been here.
Okay. Is it repairable? It's rusted, but it's repairable because of the body below.
Yeah, you can see it was worked on before. And this section was rusted. It was gonna come to you for that rust repair either way. So we have a bumper. We have a new bumper, but it's that section. So we just wanted to know by you, like, whether repairable or try and get another skin, which
I would prefer a skin. If you can get one, then yes.
so we're gonna have to hunt.
Yeah. But the only thing is, because of it being so exposed, I'm just worried about the rust, especially now in this weather, man.
Yeah.
Look, it's already rusted, so if we're gonna replace the skin, then it shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we just need to get a quote from you, and then what we need to give from our side.
Yeah.
So I need to give the information to the person that knocked into me for the insurance. And that's
Yo,
my
dat kinkt in hier, né?
Yeah.
Yo, they did catch it lekker.
They did, yeah.
They did catch it lekker.
Well, our hard work to flush this thing out.
Yeah. Oh, guys. That's evil business. It's evil. So you can see this car was worked on before, but that's fine.
Yeah, I mean, look, when me and my dad sprayed the car, we did like minor work, but it was still small bubbles at the time. And obviously, over time, it didn't work. Maybe we didn't treat it properly, and then it got bad over time. The more I look at it, the more sad I get.
Yeah.
But look,
Okay, we also need to establish the price of the skin
okay.
before I give the quote.
Yes.
Yeah, like
Where do
a
we-
new skin.
Where do we even get that?
You can try. What we do is we phone MIT, find out who they supply to. They don't sell to you directly. Do they sell to you directly by any chance? Because I know you have to have a link. No.
No, I don't.
Okay, okay. So MIT, we find out by them for a complete rear quarter panel basically. Then we find out who they supply it to, and then we get the price by them basically. But you're looking in the 7 grand, Raka. That's what they quoted me.
Yo. But it's okay, you're not gonna pay for it.
Exactly, yeah.
But I don't know how does this person's insurance work? You know?
No, the insurance must pay, and they can't say repair that.
Yeah.
To a panel shop, it's not repairable, but to the guy in the yard, he will repair it.
Yeah.
Make a plan.
Yeah. But obviously you want it properly done now.
Goes all the time and labor in there to repair this.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. You just cut off the skin and replace the skin, and then
You're good to go.
days and the spray.
Yeah. So with the spray, we're gonna have to blend in. We're gonna have to blend
To
in
the front door, yeah.
to the front door.
Yeah.
Alright.
Because, yeah, look, all the body full on the skin already on this side. It's better to replace the skin.
Yeah.
And then
It's clean.
it's clean, and then no problem solved.
Yeah.
You won't get stuff like this, body full of bubbling and cracking.
Yeah. Oh, the idea. Ashraf, you said this is gonna be a full restoration. Binne, buite.
Yeah.
Shoo. That's nice. Oh, it's a two-door. Oh, my bro. I never seen.
I like it.
What do they call this? KE70, huh?
Yes.
Yo, where did this bro find this? It's a two-door, bro. And what was I telling you the other day? My dream is to get one. But I didn't know we had two doors here.
No, it did.
Is it?
Karam
There's
had to
only
go
a
at one
few
point.
young I think there's something like 7 or so. But the
Easy.
guys don't like really
Yeah.
drive it, it's just park.
Yeah. Nah, something like this you would want to park. And I mean, now this bro's busy doing a full restoration on it. My bro. And it's probably gonna go with a classic color, no?
Yeah, there is no like blue, baby blue color.
Is it? What are they on? Are they 2K or are they base coat clear?
2K, yeah.
It's 2K.
But we're gonna do it base clear.
Yeah. Oh, this thing is straight, bro. How was the condition of it when it came in, though?
There was a few rust spots on the car,
Mm.
the rear section.
Common
And
moves.
the doors.
Yeah.
I mean, it's expected for its age
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. That's a very cool car, but my bro, this thing is nice. But it's a bit stripped out inside.
If only my garage was big enough now. Like have something like this in it.
Yeah. That's vital. Strykyster that we mentioned previously that Ashraf is busy doing a Ranix build on. Ranix. How do you say the motors name? I always get it wrong. 2ZZGE. Am I right?
Yeah.
2ZZGE.
I would have butchered that. I don't.
2ZZGE. So we mentioned this previously of what Ashraf is going to be doing there, but he's basically going to restore the entire car, the Strykyster now, and then do a 2ZZGE build in it. But you say the motor's busy being built.
Yeah.
It will be nice to see something like that on Killarney.
Yeah. Yeah, nah, this is a Blom guy, man. He's gonna blow until we tell him come to Killarney.
It's just for fun.
Yeah. So it's a liquor passion ball. But we will document that as much as we can. And you guys can see it. But yeah, Ashraf, look, shukran for seeing us today on very short notice. There wasn't even notice, we just rocked up.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, if you need, like I mentioned earlier, if you need any work done, hit up Ashraf. I'll drop his number again down below because a lot of people have been asking me.
Oh yeah.
A lot of people have been asking me, especially with the repair that Ashraf did. You can't see me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Especially with the repair that Ashraf did on my car, on my wife's car. Absolutely fantastic job. The car has been standing exposed now, no? For like almost 5 months, and it's all perfect. Like there's not a speck of anything happening there. So
Yeah.
we know the quality of the workmanship. Won't go wrong.
Right.
But yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have to get back to work.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna have to get back to work. But yeah, this was just a video that kind of came out of nowhere. But we will keep you posted on what's happening, and we need to source the parts now for the car. Right?
Yeah. We'll start making some calls now.
Okay. Catch you guys next time.
Peace, guys.
Peace.
Peace.